starting a little, as we are starting a little late, so let us quickly go through the worksheet. Give your worksheet a quick glance. Okay, just go through your worksheet quickly, and then we will start working on it. Okay, so as it is written, collocations. Okay, and you must have come across this word earlier also. So it is, there is a combination of two words. Okay, so what is collocation? I have given you at the top of the worksheet. You can look at that. It is a group of words that sound natural. Okay, they will look perfectly natural to us when used together. And these two words will always be used together. So they will be like we will, when we speak, okay, when native English speakers speak, like people whose English is their first language. Okay? All the people whose first language is English, when they speak, they will speak these words. For them, it is correct. So for us, because it is our second language, so we will also we will be able to understand and speak like them. Okay. So this is one of the greatest way to enhance your vocabulary skills. Okay. And your fluency in speaking. So this is one of the best ways. Okay. So now we have a couple of examples given here in the sheet, like fast train and quick train. Okay, fast train. So normally when we have to use a word, we will use fast and train. Okay, we will never say quick train. Okay, although like if we say quick train, you might understand the meaning. You might understand, okay, quick means jaldi, and fast is like something which goes at a greater speed. So, but this is correct, and this is not correct in the, although meaning is given, meaning is understood, but it is not used like that. Whenever we have to say that we went by a train that was very quick, we will say we went by the fast train. Okay, so this is it. Now here are few examples. Here, if you see at the picture in your worksheet, there are few examples which are given. Okay, go through them and you will see where we have put the check mark, they are the right things, and where we have put a cross, it is not used. It's not wrong, but it is not used in English. So we will use one slice of bread, slice of bread. Instead of saying one piece of toast, we will not say one piece of toast, we will say a slice of bread. And we will say a quick look. We will not say a fast look. Okay, I got the book and I gave it a quick glance. Okay, or I took a quick look around. So it is a quick look. You will never say a quick or a fast look. I don't take a photo. You will never say make a photo. Okay, because in Hindi and Punjabi, tasveer banai. Okay, tasveer banai, like, photo banai, like, that is a way we say. So we will not translate it colloquially, like no colloquial translations, but we will use the word, we will take a photo. Okay, so instead of saying make a photo. After you have a couple of words, you have to match with the right word. And I give you 5 minutes to do this, and let's see if you're able to do the correct matching. Okay, you will take one word from here, from column A, and one word from column B, and you will write down. Quickly. Let's try. Your time starts now. Okay? You have 5 minutes. Pay, pay attention to what you're doing. Done? Oscar house or Oscar classroom. Are the girls sitting on the first bench? Are you done, both of you? Okay. So, which one do you think will go with heavy? If you have found the answer, okay, I can see lots of children raising their hands from the classroom. Okay, middle row, second last bench. They were the first ones to raise. Yes, come for answer. Yes, quick, quick. And see to it that your mic is switched on. Okay, heavy.
Noble class.
Very good. So it is going to be heavy traffic. Okay, heavy traffic. Very good. So these two words always go. अगर बहुत ज़्यादा traffic होता है, we always say heavy traffic. There is heavy traffic outside. Okay. Next one. Fair. Oscar, first bench, first girl. Oscar, middle row, first bench, first girl. Fair. Fair. Deal. Yes. Okay. So when you make a deal, you know what is a deal? Like when you do some kind of an agreement, when you're buying a house or something. So if both the parties are happy with it, it is a fair. Okay. Now next is six. Padma Bhushan, middle row, second last bench. A boy has raised his hand. Yes. Second last. Yes, come forward. Quick.
Message.
Very
Clear
good.
message.
So it is clear message. Okay. And we will not say message, we will say message. Okay, message. So the pronunciation is clear message. Okay. Then we have balanced. Who will come for balanced? I can see a lot with Padma Shri. Yes. The row towards the window, last bench. Padma Shri, Last bench, yes, towards a window. Yes, the boy who's standing. Come, come. Last bench. Quickly. Come out. What are you waiting for? Come out. So it's balanced. Balanced diet. And the last word is going to be a big guess, I think so. Okay. So Nobel, the Nobel classroom. Anyone interested in answering? Yes, I can see a hand raised towards the last row. Yes, last row, last girl. You can come forward. You can come forward in Max in Nobel. In Nobel room. Okay. So who will come forward and say it's a strong? Come forward and say this. Nobel classroom, middle row, the girl in purple t-shirt. You come. Middle row, third bench. Yes. Strong. What is strong here? Yes, yes, come.
Yeah.
In Nobel classroom, what are you waiting for? In Nobel classroom, middle row, the girl sitting in, she's wearing a blue or whatever, t-shirt. Come. What is the answer? Strong? Now see, we always use words in the same manner. We will always say whenever there is lot of topic, there was traffic. Okay. In our day-to-day talking also, and our behave like this. Formal, informal, both situations, we will speak like this. Heavy traffic, fair deal. We made a fair deal. Okay. And then you come to clear message. Her message was clear. I left a clear message for her. So anything. Balanced diet is like a diet which we always say we should always eat a balanced diet. Okay. There should be a good proportion of mix of carbs, proteins, other nutrients, and strong coffee. Some people like strong coffee, some like light coffee. Okay. So these are the words, they will always be used. So you just learned five new, collocations, which are words together, which make a new meaning, and they are going to be, you should use them in your day-to-day life, and it will become a part of your active vocabulary, or probably they are already. Okay. Now what we are going to do, if you turn the sheet on the back side, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there are 5 spaces left. For 5 sentences you will make with these words. Okay, you will make one for each. You will make one sentence with heavy traffic, one heavy clear message, one balanced diet. Kindly topic is of English. English topic you have na? You करवा रहे आवाज आएगी okay now Can you start writing the sentences in a few minutes? Like another 5-7 minutes, I will start. We will work on the sentences. Okay, we'll start working on the sentences. I hope this class has settled down because there was a lot of noise from this class. Could you start? There is a lot of noise from this class. Are you people making sentences? Are you people making sentences? Shaurya Chakra, are you making sentences? I know you joined a little late. Shaurya Chakra. So when you complete the sentences, I'm giving you another 2-3 minutes. Then we can start discussion on sentences. Have you been able to complete? Okay. Has anyone, any of the class, like, anyone completed the first sentence with the first word heavy traffic? With the first collocation. Yes, I can see quite a few hands raised in Oscar. Okay. So Oscar, would you like to come forward, one of you, and answer?
On yesterday is heavy traffic.
Could you repeat? Could you repeat, Bachchan?
On yesterday is heavy traffic.
Yes. On New Year's Day, there is heavy traffic. Okay. Vehicular traffic or what kind of traffic it is. Okay. We can have like other kind of traffic also. Very good. Yes. I can see hands raised from Pulitzer House. The third row, which is towards the wall. I can see a hand raised. Yes. Second last bench, come forward. By the wall, the row by the wall in Pulitzer House. Okay, Pulitzer House, last boy. First row, last boy. Would you like to come forward and speak? First row, last boy, who's sitting all by himself towards the wall. Okay. Anyone else would like, you can come forward and speak. Anyone from Oscar? One of you can come forward and tell me, read out your sentence from Oscar or whichever classroom you want to come. I don't mind to listen to a couple of sentences. Yes, yes, do come forward.
Come.
Yes. What is it? Tell me.
What is it?
Heavy traffic. Have you made a sentence with heavy traffic?
We have done a fair deal.
Okay. You have done a fair deal. Okay. You made a fair deal. Okay. Clear message. Anyone who would like to come and read out about the sentence clear message? I can see a lot of hands raised from Oscar House. I'm very happy. Yes.
Fair message.
Could you repeat the sentence? Because I could only hear one word message.
I have a clear message.
I left a clear message. Okay. So make like you should have at least 5, 6 words in a sentence. Anyone else who wants to read out a sentence about clear message? Someone else from some other class from Maxis say or from Pulitzer? From Pulitzer? Anyone who has made a sentence on clear message? No one? Okay, I can see a hand raised. Middle row. The boy sitting in the second last bench. Okay. Any other person? There are so many classrooms. Padmashri, anyone who would like to come forward? Come forward and for clear message. Okay. Yes, Padmashri. Yes, I can see a hand raised in the center row. The first bench, the little girl. Yes. Come forward. I don't know if you're sitting on the first bench, probably on the second. Yes, your friends are pushing you. What's the hesitation? Clear message. Yes? I think so. Your mic is switched off. Could you please switch on your mic? Could you repeat, beta? What did you say? Okay. Now last is strong coffee. How many of you have made this on strong coffee? How many of you like to drink coffee? Many of you? Okay, great. So I'm sure cappuccino is everybody's favorite. Yes? Or frappuccino? So Oscar House, from Oscar, I can see, yes, come. The boy in the middle row, third, fourth bench, you can come. The girl, sorry. The girl in the middle row, Oscar. She's standing. Could you please come? Yes, come forward.
Me and my friend like to drink strong coffee.
Okay. You and your friend are very, it would have been like, me and my friend like to drink strong coffee. You can say, me and my friend my friend and I are very fond of strong coffee. Okay. A cup of strong coffee, or I can do right now, I can do with a cup of strong coffee, something like that. So you have to think a little in a different way so that things become. Now, see, there are these words, the same words are given here. Okay, but you have to find out whether they are adjectives or nouns or verbs. Because collocations are made in 4 different ways. We use adjectives and we use verbs and adjectives. We use verbs and prepositions. So you have to think what they are. Okay, now heavy. What is heavy? Is it an adjective, a noun, or a verb? I can see a hand raised from Pradmashri. First row, the row towards the wall, second last bench. Quick. Yes, perfect. Come.
Adjective.
Very good. Very good. It's an adjective. Okay, because it is a describing word. How many of you got this right? How many of you got this right? Very nice. Because it is adjective. Okay. You say heavy door, heavy glass, heavy like you can say heavy bag. So it is a describing word. So it is adjective. Second, diet. Diet is a noun or an adjective or a verb? Who will tell? What is a noun and what is adjective and what is a verb? Okay, Padma Shri, I can see a boy's hand raised. He's sitting somewhere in the middle of the road towards the window. Get up and come forward. Yes, perfect. Come.
Is a noun.
Very good. It is a noun because diet is a name of something. Okay, so it is a noun. So noun is a name. Okay, so it is a name of something. Yes, it is a noun. Next is balanced. Balanced. Who will come forward to say about balanced? Okay. One of you. Yes. Max say first bench. The girls sitting on the first bench. Balanced is a it is a but it is an adjective because balanced diet. Okay, and balance. So it is an adjective. So please complete the rest and we can discuss in the next class. Okay, and thank you very much for coming forward. I hope you really enjoyed the class and you learned something. If yes, raise your hand, everyone. Yes, thank you. And do complete the worksheet and we can discuss this in our next class. Also, everyone, if you ever have any questions, don't hesitate. Don't ever hesitate to ask me. You can write down your question, and when we meet in the next class, you can ask me your questions. Okay? So, thank you very much. Have a good day.